Welcome to today's update from Guru, where we bring you the latest insights and analysis on key commodities. In today's video, we will focus on two major developments shaking global markets: the rising crude oil prices due to geopolitical tensions and storm impacts in the US, as well as the recent rebound in copper prices driven by anticipation of economic stimulus measures from China. Let's dive into the details. As tensions rise in the Middle East and extreme weather strikes the US, crude oil prices are seeing upward momentum. Early trading on Thursday showed a rise in Brent crude futures by 37 cents, now standing at $76.95 per barrel. Meanwhile, US West Texas Intermediate (WTI) futures increased by 35 cents, hitting $73.59 per barrel. Concerns have escalated due to geopolitical risks, especially after Israel's recent declaration of potential military actions against Iran, a key oil producer. This has heightened fears of supply disruptions in the already volatile region. Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant emphasized that any Israeli response to threats would be both lethal and precise. Discussions between US President Joe Biden and Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu have added to the uncertainty. On the other side of the globe, the US is facing the aftermath of Hurricane Milton. Making landfall on Florida's west coast, this powerful storm has caused extensive damage, including tornadoes and heavy flooding. The impact has spurred gasoline demand, with a quarter of Florida's fuel stations now out of supply. Despite these developments, the long-term outlook for crude oil remains uncertain. The US Energy Information Administration, EIA, recently reduced its oil demand forecast for 2025, citing slower economic growth in both China and North America. Furthermore, US crude inventories saw an unexpected rise of 5.8 million barrels, adding to market concerns about oversupply. Turning to base metals, copper prices have shown signs of recovery after reaching a two-week low. On Thursday, London Metal Exchange, LME, copper contracts rose by 0.6%, now priced at $9,728 per metric ton. This comes as traders eagerly await details on China's next round of stimulus measures. The copper market had faced pressure after China's earlier announcements on economic stimulus failed to meet expectations. However, hopes are building for more comprehensive fiscal plans, which China's finance ministry is expected to release soon. Investors are eyeing this weekend's briefing for clarity. Meanwhile, copper demand in China remains subdued, particularly from manufacturers of semi-finished products like copper wire rods, following the National Day holiday. Despite this, a price rebound is providing some relief to the market. Other base metals also showed gains in London, with aluminium, nickel, zinc, lead, and tin all experiencing slight increases. However, the Shanghai Futures Exchange, SHFE, saw mixed results, with some metals like nickel and zinc posting losses. That's all for today's update. The rising crude oil prices and the recovery in copper markets highlight the impact of both geopolitical and economic factors on global commodities. As we move forward, the developments in the Middle East and China's stimulus measures will remain key drivers to watch. Stay tuned to Guru for more updates and expert analysis on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest news that keeps you ahead in the markets. Thank you for watching.